Hello everybody, Jose Rodriguez here. Really a quickie here. People are wanting to print on vinyl inkjet printable material or media, and they're getting horrible results. They're wondering why. They see all of these beautiful decals being applied to surfaces, especially racing cars and the size of a truck or a car, custom printed designs, and they want to be able to do something like that, except of course smaller, but the results are awful. The ink is just puddling. It's like you're trying to put water on an oily surface. Well, you really are, okay? That's the problem here. A lot of the vinyl inkjet printing media is made for solvent-based inks, okay? Not water-based inks. You see what I'm saying? So a solvent is definitely going to mate perfectly with the surface or the coating of those vinyl type medias. Not water-based inks. They will not be able to mix. Like I said, it's like oil and water, or water and oil, whichever way you look at it. So can you at all print on, say, a P800, Pro 1000, or any other photo type printer that uses water-based inks on vinyl? Well, apparently yes, because right here next to me, I just got a roll from Breathing Color, and it's supposed to be made for regular ink, regular water-based ink. So I'm going to go ahead and test that. And again, this looks and sounds like a little tease, and yeah, it is. So as soon as I get a chance, I'm going to go ahead and test that on any of my printers and see what the results look like. And again, it should work. According to them, it is a compatible type media for water-based inks. So that should be fun. I don't know whether you peel it. I don't know what you do with it afterwards. Again, I just basically earlier today opened it up and took a peek at the surface, and it's not shiny. I don't know how to describe it really. It's a little bit odd. It's a little bit thicker. 10 feet of material here, 10 feet of canvas here. You can see the difference in diameter. So this is obviously a thicker type material. We'll give that a try. But remember, guys and gals, don't just go out and buy any old type of vinyl printable type media. It may only be compatible with solvent-based inks. And who can use solvent-based inks? Only an Epson printer can. Okay, not a Canon printer, due to the thermal print heads. They just cannot handle that type of ink. All right, I hope you enjoyed this very quick and informative, I hope, video. And until the next time, please subscribe, share, and like. And happy printing, everybody, as always. Bye-bye.